Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Sean bienvenidos a una emisión más de Conducción MX. Yo soy Franz, comencemos. Y pues nada, el día de hoy toca un unboxing de una pieza especial y el armado de una pieza que es de mis favoritas, que tengo de automovilismo. Es un Porsche 911 RSR, Porsche Carrera. Y pues nada, es de Lego y les dejo con el video. Es este que ven acá atrás en la pantalla. Vamos a verlo.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself.
Y bueno, mis hermanos, ¿qué les ha parecido? Está espectacular, la verdad. A mí me ha encantado. Se le gira el volante y se giran las llantas. Pues nada, amigos, dejen en los comentarios, ¿ustedes tienen alguno de estos? Se hace las piezas más hermosas que ha hecho Lego Technic. Y pues es de mis Porsches favoritos. Este y el Porsche Carrera GT. Al día de hoy son mis Porsches favoritos. El RSR en especial. Esta generación del 2017, porque hubo una nueva generación, me parece 2019-2020. Hay una reedición, una nueva generación de este mismo Porsche. Pero este es el que más me encanta. El arte que tiene de la pintura se hace hermoso, mis hermanos. Pues bueno, los leo en los comentarios. Síganos en redes sociales, Facebook, Instagram y TikTok como Conducción MX. Siempre activen la campanita si se suscribieron para que cada semana les llegue notificación de que hay video nuevo y se enteren un poco más del mundo automotor en general. Yo soy Franz, pásenla bien.